Alright, so are you driving today? Are you driving? Get the hell out of here. Oh man, that's gonna hit that car.
More fish.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode of McGrath Fishing. My name is Tommy McGrath. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm 23 years old. I'm sponsored by Follow the Action to fish and film videos for a dream job. I could not be any more grateful and thankful. It truly means the world to be doing this. Today's episode is going to be a cooking episode. So over the weekend, me, Rick, and Pistol P went to Madison and we caught perch, bluegill, and I believe one white bass that ended up getting hooked through the gill. So we're gonna see how that tastes. I'm not really sure, but I'm super excited to flay up these bluegill and these perch. I'm gonna show you the easiest slash best way to cook fish in my opinion. This is my favorite recipe. I learned it back in the spring for walleye and is truly one of my favorite recipes. So, all right, so I'm gonna send it to Jewel, get the special ingredients, and then we're gonna come back here. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It's raining today, so we are not gonna be fishing, unfortunately. There's a big storm coming in about an hour, hour and a half. Might as well make some fish. If you can't catch them, might as well eat them. So here we go. Let's get on with today's video. So with this recipe that I'm doing, you literally need like one item. Every household has butter. I always fry my fish in butter, so you guys should have butter, but if you don't, you guys can easily get away with going to the store and spending $5 or less. So if you don't have butter, you would literally need 2 items to do this recipe. So hopefully it turns out as restaurant quality today. I did have plans to head to a lake in Wisconsin today, but when I woke up this morning, I looked outside, it was super foggy, and once I checked the radar, and it said pretty much rain all day, or at least rain, I think, till at least 4 p.m., and it's only 10:30 right now, so it doesn't look like we're gonna get out, so that's why we're gonna do this cooking video today. I'm excited to do this video though. This is something that I haven't done. I've never really done just a cooking video. I've done a bunch of catch and cooks. We're going for just a cooking video today, so hopefully I'm gonna be like Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen. I'm feeling good. I just need to get the special ingredients, the special sauce, and get it going. Train. Me and Kenzie want you guys to drop a comment below on your favorite way to cook fresh fish. It could be anything from simple to complex. I want to know how you guys do it. I think Kenzie wants to know the different recipes, so let's hear it. All right, so we made it to Jewel Osco. I'm gonna go in and get the special ingredients. I literally need one thing. I'm gonna get one thing because I have butter at home. Here we go.
You've got a banana, you don't need no snack pack.
Please remove all items from the bagging area. Scan item $3.99. Saving 50 cents. Your total is $8.63.
Thank you. You too. So $8.63 for 2 different seasonings. So I got 2 different seasonings this time. It would have been cheaper if I just got the one, but I didn't get just the one. I had to get both. They both look good, and I can't, oh, there it is. Couldn't find my truck. This is what is gonna make this catch and cook go round. It's all in the seasoning, I'm telling you. That's all you need is butter and seasoning. Oh man, that's gonna hit that car. I figured I'd grab it, or else somebody was gonna have a dent. All right, so I don't know if you guys just saw that whole little scenario, but the cart was ghosting in the parking lot. I was gonna smack that van, and I grabbed it before it hit the van. So that was my good deed of the day. I saved that car from getting probably a decent scratch in it. Probably wouldn't have dented it. So hopefully that guy has a little bit better of a day than he would have had if that hit his car. So I got the seasoning. We're gonna leave Jewel, head back home. I'll see you guys at home. What a Tuesday morning. All right, I got my little helpers in the garage. These are my nephews. They're checking the gas tank. And we are gonna fillet some fish.
I see cutting the fish.
Look at the size of this bluegill, guys. This is a big bluegill. Bluegill. Alright, so I just filleted up probably about 5 to 6 gills. I believe it was 3 or 4 perch and then 1 white bass that I still gotta get the maps out of its mouth. That's why it even made it in the cooler, because Rick, when he set the hook with that maps, it was so deep down that fish was gonna die anyway, so that's the reason why I have 1 white bass. So we're gonna try it. That's something I've never ate before. I'm a huge fan of fish, as you guys know. But white bass is something I've never tried. I'm just gonna go rinse them off real quick and then we're gonna start the cooking process. I'm excited, I'm hungry, can't wait, here we go. First batch of the perch is done. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter, and then do some bluegills. The first bite of the perch.
Oh my God.
Alright guys, my mom doesn't want to be in the video, but you just heard her say that. It's amazing. The perch are done. Going back for seconds.
So good.
And now the bluegill's in. This is literally amazing.
Which one's this one?
Yeah, that size bluegill. There's only 1 more perch on left. Is it better or worse?
It's good. They're both amazing. That is so flaky and good. I don't know which one's better. I always thought I liked perch better. Now I might not know. They each have their own flavor, but I can't decide which one is better. Which one do you like better?
I thought I liked perch more, but after eating this, I kind of like bluegill again. Alright guys, so I'm eating this fish with my mom right now, and we're trying to decide which is better, the perch or the bluegill. This bluegill and perch today with the Cajun seasoning. I think the Cajun and then frying it in butter is what makes it amazing. Like I said, that's my favorite recipe. It's cheap, it's easy, anybody can do it. I still have a bunch more bluegills that I put in the freezer, and I also have 2 fillets from that white bass that we kept that I'm kind of afraid to try. So we'll do that a different day. And you heard my mom say as well that it tastes good, so you know I'm not just saying that. We can't even decide which we like better, the perch or the bluegill.
Do you want to see Tommy take me fishing?
They want to see you on camera though.
Mama McGrath fishing like a mother. Who wants to see it? What do you think of that?
Good.
Is it good? Who cooked this for you?
Titi.
Uncle Titi?
Did TT make it good for you?
Yeah. He did a good job.
Thanks, William. Give me knuckles. Here comes William. William, what do you want?
More fish.
You want more fish?
Yeah.
There's more fish here. Give me knuckles. You're gonna leave me hanging? Nice. And that is gonna do it for another episode of McGrath Fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys like seeing these type of videos, drop a comment below, let me know. I really enjoyed making today's video. I know my mom and Will, my nephew, really enjoyed the fish. Will ran out of his room 6 times saying more fish, more fish. I thought that was so cool. I just love making it this way. It's literally restaurant quality fish. You guys should try it for yourself. Let me know how it turned out for you guys. Let me know if it's your new go-to or if you hate it. Just, I wanna know your guys' opinions, more thoughts. So thank you guys for tuning in to another episode. I will catch you guys this Friday. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and I'm out.
I wake up on Sunday morning, feel that ache inside my heart. I can't hold on any longer, I'm seconds from falling apart.